York City. They say if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. The energy is endless, with loads of amazing restaurants and the best markets to have the best produce at your fingertips.
Chef Daniel Boulud has really made his mark here, with one culinary coup after another.
Daniel grew up on his family's farm near Lyon, France, where he was inspired by the seasons. Today we get the chance to cook with him.
On the menu is perfectly seasoned piquito crab salad that's molded and surrounded by crisp slices of cucumber and radish, dotted with black sesame coulis and topped with a white sesame tuile. For the main course, an unbeatable combination of beef-seared ribeye and red wine braised short ribs. Don't forget dessert. Executive pastry chef Dominique Ancel shares a house favorite, sinfully delicious warm chocolate coulant with a salty sweet liquid caramel filling and a scoop of creamy milk sorbet.
So join me, Ashley James, as we start another exciting adventure on cuisine culture.